Hello, we're unboxing the August 2020 surprise from Smile Create Repeat. Let's get started and see what's in this awesome art supply subscription box. Alright, we have a postcard hoping you make yourself a better day. Some great art on there. Think inside the box, Smile Create Repeat sticker. And if this is your first box, or when you get your first box, you get a Smile Create Repeat pencil, so you remember where you got your great art supplies, and great service, and inspiration, and free shipping. And here's the creative card, and the creative card, that we explain what all the supplies are that you have in your surprise. And then on the back, the great thing about it is a step-by-step demo using the tools you have. Because sometimes I know when I get new supplies or anything new, I'm sometimes really excited about it, but I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with the pencils or pens or markers or whatever. Here's your little gift pack of supplies. Let's unwrap that. And you have this craft paper that we put in there, just so you can test on there before you, spoiler alert, use your specific paper for the tools. All right, we have an Edding brush pen. Nice one. We have a Lyra Aqua Brush Duo. Brush, oh, that cap's on good. Brush pen. And it's got a bullet tip also. We use both of those in the demo. I'm gonna put them down there. There's too many to hold in my hands. This is a Brush Marker Pro, Karin, or Karin. Brush marker, cool. Another dual tip, an Marabou Aqua Pen brush tip, dual tip, and a bullet tip. Nice. You have your Kimberly 5H pencil, so that's a little harder. So you're gonna wanna draw lightly so you don't gouge the paper, but that's so then you can draw right on the paper and then ink right over it. And then we gave you a fine line pen. That's from Edding also. So that's a whole bunch of stuff. That's six tools, 7 if you include the SCR pencil, and 2 of them are dual tip. So it's really like, what's that, 6, 7, 9. And then we have this multimedia paper, mixed media paper. Pacon Artist mixed media paper. And this one, you can use those markers right on it, and it works great. So thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, or comment in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. So thanks for watching, and remember to smile, create, repeat.